What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to part 2. Today we're going to work on welding our panels up and all the grinding and more welding and more grinding that it takes. If you guys are learning anything, if you like what you see, hit that like button, the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we'll try to get you guys in here for part 3. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, when we're welding this up, it's important that you spread your tack welds out to dissipate the heat, to keep from warping. Also, you got to make sure that your metal is completely flush with the other metal. There can't be any gap in between here. I usually just take a tool, press it up against there. You'll have to get in there some way. You can always use your hands, magnets, clamps, whatever. I use it all, whatever it takes to get it flush. Nice little tack.
You can get a little better idea how I did this. I just got it tacked in a few spots right now. Remember guys, make sure these gaps are fully, there can't be any air in between here. It's got to be fully flush, and if that means you got to hammer it or whatever you got to do to get it there, magnets, clamps, we're just going to go around and keep tacking all the way around. Then we'll go back and fill everything in. Alright, we got our first set of tacks all the way around. Everything's nice and flush. Turned out really nice. We'll go around and grind this, knock all of our tacks down, and then go back and fill in all the rest. That's it guys, we took our flap wheel on our nice Harbor Freight grinder and cleaned all these welds up. Everything's nice and smooth. Now we'll go back with our welder, fill all the rest of it in, hit it again with the grinder, then we'll be ready for body and paint. There it is, boys. All the cutting's done, welding, grinding, everything's done. It's ready for paint and body on this side. I'll go ahead and do the other side. I'm not going to time lapse that or show that. little bit of filler, a little bit of primer.
All right, boys, that's it for today. If you guys like what you see, if you feel like you learned something, please like my video, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you get my videos as soon as they come out. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.